First question: which of the following is the correct sequence in food chain? The process of transfer of energy from producer through a series of organisms, that is from primary consumers to secondary consumers and from secondary consumers to tertiary consumers, by process of eating and being eaten, is known as food chain. The correct food chain among the given option is only B, that is the phytoplankton, then zooplankton and the fish. Rest all is not the correct sequence, and thus the correct answer for this question is option B. Looking towards the next question, that is the flow of energy among various trophic levels of an ecosystem is unidirectional, bidirectional, multidirectional or circular. Now the flow of energy in ecosystem is unidirectional. The energy enters the plant from the sun through photosynthesis during the making of food. This energy is then passed on to the successive trophic levels in a food chain, is only 10%, and rest energy get lost as heat during the transfer and the life process. So correct answer is option A, that is unidirectional. Looking towards the next question, biological equilibrium is found among the producer plant, consumer and producer both, decomposer, or producer, consumers and decomposers. So an ecosystem should always maintain a balance. If primary consumer in an ecosystem are absent, then producer will be increased in number and will create overcrowding. It results in competition, and consequently number of producers will decrease to near normal. So correct answer is biological equilibrium is found among the producer, consumer and developer all. So that's option D. Looking towards the next question, a man-made ecosystem is. Man-made or artificial ecosystem have low stability because usually man is interested in only a few economically beneficial species. Only and only those species will be used by man to create an ecosystem. Example, agricultural field is a man-made artificial ecosystem, having only those plants which are economically beneficial. Thus the correct answer is option A, that is less in diversity. Option A. And now looking towards the last question, that is the area where two ecosystems overlap each other. So the area where two ecosystems overlap each other is called as ecotone. An ecotone is a zone of junction or a transition area between two biomes, that is the diverse ecosystem. Ecotone is the zone where two communities meet and integrate. For example, the mangrove forest represent an ecotone between the marine and terrestrial ecosystem. So correct answer is option D, that is ecotone.